In this video we will visit the only annual racing event in Phuket, Toyota GAZOO Racing, which by a lucky coincidence takes place 3 minutes drive from my house. We will look at the representatives of Thai tuning, see the latest from Toyota and catch circuit races and pickup trucks races. Enjoy watching. This new Yaris GR and my favorite GR86. I really want to buy such a car. What the fuck? And the Supra. A very interesting security system. The first thing I need to do is get a media accreditation, so that I can go to all sorts of storage facilities and go out onto the track to shoot interesting footage for you. There are already some pickup trucks lined up on the track. I understand that they will be racing on the track. And here is a merch store. I don't understand anything about these cars on an amazing frame. Definitely a racing one. Well, yes, these are some strange Asian races. Apparently, pickups and Camry are in the same class. Very unusual. But we're only interested in drifting. GR Supra, as far as I understand correctly, on extensions from Pandem. Apparently, she will drift today. By the way, I am now in a place where I am not alone, apparently. What's going on here? There is some kind of chair there. I could not get accreditation today. I need to leave my driver's license as collateral. Naturally, I didn't take it with me. It is not valid here. Now let's try to get a free t-shirt. I registered for the TikTok contest. Today, throughout the day, everyone is filming videos and posting them on TikTok. Whoever has more views and likes get cash prizes. But each participant gets a t-shirt. And here I am. Registration is here. There are such beauties. And I'm not talking about girls. Supra circuit. Look at the exhaust pipe marks. Well, it looks stylish. I don't like such small cars, but this one looks really good. I've never seen a Corolla like this. Yokohama displays its tires here. They show what they have. Some wheels. Honestly, I don't know this brand. There are a lot of tents with sorts of crap here. Here's anime, some clothes. I think they should have put up a tent of my brand, Burnout. I didn't know that was possible. And what do we have here? References to Initial D. This is a Hilux. I don't think there will be any in Russia. What did they deliver in the cartoon? Sushi? Tofu. Fujiwara's Tofu Shop. All this is happening right on the ocean shore, in a bay like this. And in the evenings, my friends and I sit here and drink beer. Yaris on carbon. Maybe I don't understand something, for example, why make such cars like sports cars. This is something incomprehensible to me. What is this doing here? Maybe this is an exhibition of private cars? Then okay. What is this anyway? Is it a Corolla or what? I can't understand. Write in the comments if you know what model it is. Beautiful. What do you say about this Thai tuning? Everything is beautiful in the front, but here everything is standard. On Chinese wheels, metal seats. How does it even sit here? Tachometers, The Thais love ugly tuning. Well, all the cars here are like this. This is Thai tuning. It is somehow special. They also adore these struts. They put them anywhere. On pickups, they put them under the rear bumper. It is not clear why. Carbon Dur 1. It makes the car much lighter. Well, they are all the same. All with the devices. I don't know. Tuning like in 2007. An interesting specimen, right, if you understand what kind of engine is here. I think it's something cool. He didn't just remove the hood for no reason. And there is an abandoned ship there. Something similar to the truth. This is our way. What you can find here. Look. And the most interesting thing. I have never seen anything like this in real life. NOS, nitrous oxide system. The dude played too much Need for Speed. Absolutely useless thing. This is not a sports car. Nitrous oxide, unfortunately, does not work. Yeah, the aesthete inside me is simply rebelling. Blood from the eyes. What is this? What a nightmare. But in Thailand, this is generally considered very cool and stylish. They love such bright colors. Thai tuning is a very strange phenomenon. I still can't accept it. The worse, the better. What is this car for? What is this? I've never seen anything like it. And it says GR Sport, which I seriously doubt. Here is a spoiler, like a bench. Doubtful, but okay. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a hater to insult everyone. I've rarely seen car much better. This is the level of a 2007 Village, it seems to me. But it's good that Thailand at least has something like this. People are interested, some tune their cars. Respect to them for that. I think this country has a long way to go. Wow, look what I just saw.
Ошалеть. Да.
It's almost American style.
ขอต้อนรับหัวออฟนะฮะการบุกนะครับซึ่งขออนุญาต
I have a feeling, judging by these cars, that the only condition to get into this exhibition is that your car is a Toyota. I can't even imagine what criteria they use to select this.
เว็บไซต์
Hilux Camp.
โคตรเท่รอบแอป
It looks very interesting. This will never happen in Russia. And this is a pet spa. As I understand it, this car drives and you can stop it to cut your dog or cat's hair. The races have just started. Everyone is going out on warm-up lap. Pickup trucks in races are something amazing. By the way, for some reason everyone drives without helmets. The anime festival is going on at the same time. This is strange. Cosplay competitions at a racing event. These are the kind of guys we have here. And here is a presentation of new models. Nothing interesting. Here is a Land Cruiser, as I understand it. Oh no, it's a Hilux. Let's try our luck. Spin the wheel of fortune. Maybe we'll win some merch. It seems to me that there is a magnet here.
Can I try?
For some reason, it always falls on the sticker. Let's test our luck.
Ну-ка, ну-ка, ну-ка.
โอเคนะอ่ะมา
I win sticker.
1,000แพรรี่
but I 1000 we spin one
They offered to buy something. I don't know if I need it or not. Maybe I should get a Panama hat? Because it's incredibly hot outside. Some kind of deceptive wheel of fortune. It seems like I want a sticker, but to get it, you need to buy something in their store. And also, when registering for the TikTok contest, they said that all participants would receive a free t-shirt. But for some reason, they didn't give it to me. They gave me a coupon for a free drink. I got a free drink, and for some reason they also give out popcorn. This is an annual event, and right now behind me, either the first or second stage of the GAZOO racing circuit in Thailand is taking place. Several stages are held throughout the country, and one of the stages is taking place here in Phuket. We are now on a small artificial island, which is used for walks and as a sport ground. There is a lot of tennis courts, football pitches, basketball courts, and so on. Everyone runs here. And for the days of this event, everything here is closed for 2 days, and the whole area is converted into a racetrack. What just happened? I was just standing there watching. The host pulled me out and told me to come up to him. They gave me something. I don't understand what it is. Something from Adwen, Yokohama. There are pickup truck races now. It's something very strange, very Asian. Pickups with frames and racing seats. And the most interesting thing is that not a single pilot has a helmet. Not in circuit racing, not in pickup trucks, not in drifting. They just drive in t-shirts without fireproof suits. Off-road, this is a whole series of Toyota GAZOO racing competitions, and it seems to me that safety precautions should be appropriate here. Here is the track itself. I don't know if I got into the Tech Park legally or illegally without the red tape. Let's go see what's interesting here. Look, the cars are covered with film again. I had a video from D1 GP in Malaysia, and when I came before the opening, all the cars were covered with cling film. And I asked the subscribers a question. There were many options, but the most logical one was that no one would open the car overnight, or if they did open it, so that the traces would be visible. There is a parking lot on the skate park side. It's actually really cool that Toyota organizes this annual event here, because in a year of being in Phuket, I have never seen sport cars or competitions. For fans of motorsports and cars, this is a very important event. By the way, last year I was in Japan at the first Toyota plant, at the company's field. If you haven't seen this episode, then watch it. It will appear here, or the link will be in the descriptions. Very interesting. I waited all day for the so-called Thailand has its own unique idea of drifting. This is what it looked like. On the second day, I decided not to go. In general, everything was the same there. I thought that even media accreditation would not help me filming something interesting. This is what a racing weekend in Phuket was like. See you in the new episodes. Bye.